Hello and welcome back. So in today's video we will be taking a look at Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup comes pre-installed with Windows 10. It's a fantastic tool that allows you to clean all sorts of temporary files in Windows 10. For example, you can clear the DirectX shader cache, you can clear your temporary internet files, and you can also clear the thumbnails cache within Disk Cleanup. So let's go ahead and take a look at Disk Cleanup. So the first thing you need to do is open up the start menu, and you then need to type in Disk Cleanup. You will then see Disk Cleanup. We then need to open this, and you can now select which drive you would like to clean. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my C drive first, but as you can see I have lots of other drives that I can also clean using Disk Cleanup. So once you've selected your drive, press OK, and you will then end up with a window that looks like this. So it will now have a load of different options listed. As you can see, I can clear downloaded program files, I can clear temporary internet files, DirectX shader cache, delivery optimization files, my recycle bin, temporary files and thumbnails. So that will clean up a total disk space of 129 meg. Also, if you do click onto each setting, so for example if I click on temporary files, it will tell me what this cleans. Another thing you can do within Disk Cleanup is you can click on Clean Up System Files, and then we can select our C drive, and this will give us even more of a list of things that we can clean within Windows 10. So as you can see, the first option is Windows Update Cleanup. So basically Windows does keep a copy of all installed updates, so you can clean these if you want to. We can then clean Microsoft Defender Antivirus. We can clean our Windows Upgrade log files, and then you can now see all the other settings that I mentioned earlier. So once you have selected what you would like to clean, you can then click on OK, and then you can delete the files. But before I do that, you can actually click on more options, and you can then clean up even more. So you can see we have programs and features. You can click on Clean Up, and it will list all the programs that are installed on your computer. You can then go through the list and remove programs from your computer that you no longer use. So that will free up even more disk space. If we close down programs and features, you then have system restore and shadow copies. So when you create a system restore point, basically that will take up a bit of disk space. But we can go ahead and click on cleanup, and you can then delete all the system restore points that are on your computer. Just keep in mind, if something then does go wrong with your computer, you will not be able to back up to that system restore point. And this will also delete shadow copies. So if you do have a shadow copy, basically a backup of your Windows image, then that will also be removed. So let's click back on Disk Cleanup tab. So I now have everything that I want to delete selected. I can now go ahead and press OK, and this is going to free up 443 meg of disk space. You then need to go ahead and click delete files, and as you can see there is a warning saying do you want to permanently delete these files, because once you've deleted them they are gone. So I've now clicked delete, and you can see it's now cleaning up my drive. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. That is Disk Cleanup, and that is what it can do. It can free up disk space by cleaning old temporary files. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. If you did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.